Hi everybody, I'm really excited to show you what I've been working on for the last little while. It's called a tumbler mock-up maker, and it takes a tumbler design that you've created or that you've purchased, and as long as it's 9.3 inches by 8.2 inches at 300 dpi, you can use this script to generate mock-ups. Only takes a few seconds, and it's really convenient. So I'm just going to show you how it works. When you get the file, it's in a zip file. So when you extract it, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a folder with mock-ups that your new mock-ups will be saved to. You're going to get 1, 2, and 3. That's for the side, front, and back. This zip file won't be there because that's what you're going to download to extract to your computer. You're going to get your mock-up maker file. You're going to get your mock-up file, which is your Photoshop layered file. And you're going to get part 1 and part 2. Don't modify any of these files, especially the mock-up one. And these are all code, so I take it that most people won't know how to modify that anyway. So when you get it all extracted, you just go to your Photoshop. Make sure that you don't have any documents open. If you have any documents open, it won't work. You got to make sure everything is closed. So you just go to File, Scripts, browse to where you extracted your zip file, and choose Mockup Maker and load. So now it's going to come up and it's going to ask you for your tumbler design file. So you just navigate to where you save your tumbler designs. Mine are right here. These are 2 new ones I did today. They say bingo bag. I made some little bingo balls with the words bingo bag on it. I did them in 2 colors and I've uploaded them to my Etsy shop. So just choose the one you want to make the mock-up for. So here it is, Happiness is Yelling Bingo in a pink. So just click OK, and it's going to open that file now, and it's going to do a little bit of creative work extracting what it needs to make your mock-up. When it's all done doing that, it's going to come up and ask you for the mock-up file itself. So just go back to your folder where you extracted your files from the zip file. Mine says Tumbler Mockup Maker. Double click on that. Now you just choose the Photoshop file that says Mockup. And now that's going to do the rest of the work for you. You just sit back and wait until it's done. Okay, now it tells you your mock-up has been created. Click here to see it. And there you have it. There's your mock-up. So if you go back into your folder, double click. Mine has 2 in it because I used it for one earlier. I had a pile in there, but I deleted them. So this is your actual mock-up. So you can see it's pretty neat. I have this zip file on my Patreon page along with this video, so if you want to check it out and possibly subscribe to my Patreon page, you can follow the link in the description below and check it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Nice if you leave a comment, let me know what you think it is. And it'd be nice if you subscribe to my page and click the bell so that I can let you know when I put new stuff up. Thanks for watching.